Ever found yourself swamped with tasks, not knowing where to start? You're not alone. This is a common dilemma faced by many, from students to CEOs. The problem? Task overload. The consequence? A drop in productivity and a spike in stress levels. Imagine a day where your to-do list is longer than a grocery list on Thanksgiving. You're juggling multiple tasks, each one seeming as important as the other. The clock is ticking, and you're stuck in the whirlwind of decision paralysis. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? This issue of ineffective prioritization isn't just about managing your tasks, it's about managing your time, your energy, and ultimately, your success. It's about identifying what needs your immediate attention, what can wait, and what can be delegated or dropped. But what if there was a better way to handle this, a way to prioritize your tasks effectively? Many people believe that the best way to handle tasks is to tackle them as they come. But is that really the best approach? Picture this: you're juggling multiple tasks, each demanding your immediate attention. Without a clear plan, you're likely to find yourself overwhelmed, leading to burnout. You might think you're being productive, putting out fires left and right. But in reality, you're more likely to miss deadlines, compromise on the quality of your work, and even lose sight of your project's bigger picture. This as-they-come approach can also lead to a skewed sense of urgency. You'll spend too much time on trivial tasks, while important ones fall by the wayside. It's like trying to fill a jar with sand before the big rocks. It just won't fit. So how can you avoid these pitfalls? It's all about having the right tools. The secret to effective task prioritization lies in using the right tools. Imagine having a compass that always points you in the direction of your most crucial tasks. That's what prioritization tools can do for you. Take, for instance, the Eisenhower matrix. This tool helps you distinguish between what's urgent and what's important. It's like having a personal assistant who's always there to remind you, hey, this task needs your attention right now, and this other one can wait. These tools can be a game changer, helping you to focus on tasks that truly matter and preventing you from getting lost in the sea of to-dos. It's about working smarter, not harder, and the best part, you don't need a degree in rocket science to use these tools. They are designed to be simple, intuitive, and user-friendly. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into how these tools can revolutionize your task management. Now let's see how these tools work in a real-life scenario. Imagine you're overseeing a major project with multiple tasks, each demanding your attention. Without a clear way to prioritize, you might find yourself overwhelmed, bouncing from one task to another without making significant progress. But let's flip the script. With a prioritization tool, you can assign weight to each task based on its urgency and importance. Suddenly, the chaos transforms into a clear roadmap. You know exactly what needs your attention first and what can wait. The benefits? Your productivity skyrockets. You're not just busy, you're effective. Stress levels decrease as you gain control over your workload. Your team benefits too. With clear priorities, you can delegate tasks more efficiently, ensuring everyone knows what they should be working on and when. Sounds promising, right? But the benefits don't stop there. Effective task prioritization doesn't just improve your work life, it enhances your personal life too. It's not just about ticking off boxes on a to-do list or impressing your boss with your productivity. It's so much more. Imagine a life where there's always time for what truly matters. That book you've been meaning to read? Done. The gym membership collecting dust? Not anymore. Those precious moments with family and friends? Never missed. This is the magic of effective prioritization. It's not just about doing more, it's about doing what matters more. These skills, once learned, can be applied everywhere. From planning your next vacation to deciding what's for dinner, the power of prioritization can simplify your life, making it more meaningful and less stressful. So let's not confine these skills to the office. Let's bring them into our homes, our hobbies, our relationships. Ready to transform your task management? Start prioritizing effectively today.